dealing with Dr. Reddy, somebody is dealing with somebody else like that. That fellow is taking for a task. Then whatever he is asking, component manufacturer is giving for 12 months warranty. We are giving 5 years warranty on our panel. So we are actually in a very difficult situation. So my suggestion is that let us debate, think over it. And if we can form something like this, what we can decide to do is that we optimize our resources, we reduce our risk, we increase our reach, we increase our capacity, and we get a slice from a large cake, which is very, very good for maybe instead of getting a very small cake in our hands. India, the laws are complicated, so this is a difficult thing to happen. But this is one thing which I learned in that factory, that with whatever here, suppose we take New Bombay, there must be 20, 25 Amada machines. The work can be done only with 10 machines. So 25 machines, 25 operators, 25 setup, 25 programmers for doing the work of 10 machines. That is our biggest problem. And I think all our experience, learned, let us think how we can think in this line or try to address this. That's all.
Thank you, Ashok ji. There is no one simple answer for all these things. If anyone wants to add, sir, Vijay bhai, sir, Vijay Saita sir.
Yeah, can I add?
हाँ,
सर गोविंद राजन जी सर बात करने चाहते कुछ.
हाँ, go ahead, sir, Govind Rajan sir. Govind
Saita
Rajan
ji
ji
wants to say something first. You go ahead. I'll come later.
Okay.
Vijay Saita ji, you want to say something?
हेलो.
हाँ,
Saita ji, I'll speak after you.
या विजय साहब जी आप बोलिए सर.
Acha. So basically, what I feel is a lot of these issues will get sorted out if we have a sample case and we learn sample by sample. So let us identify one client whom we want to take on, who has a variety of jobs to be done, and try to put one small group together. It really doesn't matter whether you make a profit, you don't make a profit or anything, but let individuals take care of their responsibilities. Collectively, we have to deliver, and there is the pressure of COSMA on these people to deliver. Let us have one such case. COSMA can even charge a fee for the monitoring. I mean, it is just please think it over. COSMA can charge, I don't know what, 1%, 1.5%, whatever it is. But let COSMA take the lead, because the industry has regard for COSMA. There are individual panel builders, equipment builders who have a lot of regard in the industry, but it is in pockets. It is with some particular clients. Okay, they don't have a spread. Whereas COSMA, with so many people and it's such a large, big organization for such a long time, it has some weight in the industry. So let us identify one project or two projects, put this thing together, and within 2-3 months, 4 months, we'll have some working example and we can go forward with that. Over to you, sir.
thank you ji. Vijay bhai, go ahead, sir.
Can I speak, please?
हाँ, please go
या
ahead.
विजय जी बोलिए सर.
My opinion, personally, my opinion, that COSMA is a pretty strong platform, and I see people coming together so nicely. So the best thing which I had kind of proposed or kind of talked about was there should be a kind of a panel of about 8 specialists. I can see here specialists like Ramani Saab, Kalesara Saab, Kazi Saab, or Ashok Ji, Goyal Saab. So like Mr. Govind Rajan, yes, of course. So this would be the specialist who would know whose capacity is what in COSMA. So if I, supposing, want to join in or something, then I come to this group, okay, like I need some 3 partners or something of that sort. I mean, COSMA already has this data bank. So this particular group of COSMA specialists can also be kind of a guidance, not for any liabilities or anything. Suggestion, okay, these are the 4 people, they can come together or something like this. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay bhai. It is a continuous process. We have to evolve as we go forward, and a lot of transparency has to set in. We have to dig deep and
Yes.
think a lot. All that thing has to happen. And request anybody else to add to this.
Sudhir Hanumante ji. Please.
Should I come in?
Yes.
Yeah, Sudhir Hanumante.
Hanumante sir, please go ahead.
Yeah. This is Sudhir Hanumante. See, it is basically we should consider COSMA as a platform. COSMA should act as a facilitator, and COSMA should give us an edge to bid for a bigger project. What Mr. Govindarajan said is also really good. However, I think that unless and until one single party takes the responsibility, customer will not be comfortable to offer us such a big package. So I think COSMA should create the facility like legal and other things, and COSMA should oversee those particular things. However, there will be no responsibility of COSMA when it comes to deliverables or when it comes to any responsibility. This is my view.
Your idea is that not one big person to lead. As a joint venture, you can lead.
Yeah, as a joint venture.
As a joint venture, consortium. What Govindarajan and then Ashok bhai also said about that.
Yes, and for making a consortium, yes, we should have some legal arm, and which COSMA should oversee that particular thing. Who will be the party who can be given this particular responsibility?
What I also
Thank you.
suggested, let COSMA to find out some legal company who have got the expertise on these kinds of forming a consortium, and then if they can give some highlights on the consortium system, perhaps we can work out to work on some bigger projects. But there are a lot of big projects which are coming, and I know that it is difficult for a single company like maybe a small company to take care of those kinds of a business. Especially these data centers where the requirement of panels is 150 crores. What will you do? 100 crores, 50 crores. So now these kind of a thing for people like us, it would be a difficult job. But if we can create some kind of a small consortium or big consortium, and if we can work between us, and then if we can go to them, perhaps the company will feel, yes, it's a group of people, group of experienced people who can work for us, and then it will be easier for me to take to make one person responsible rather talking to 10 different people on a technical and commercial terms and then after sales services and those kinds of things. So the COSMA, if we can take those kinds of initiatives, maybe all other members, if they have anybody who are expert in these kinds of legal working, they can we can invite him to share his knowledge.
Sure. Mr. Sanjeev Lodha ji. Please.
Sanjeev Lodha,
good
you want to
morning.
add?
Yeah, good morning, everybody. I am hearing a lot of big things, joint venture, this, that, sharing business with other people, and all those things. I don't know whether how far we can go ahead with that. Secondly, what I'm talking about, we are talking that it's a very, very big platform. But what I feel, and I have been feeling all through, I think I have been a member for the last 10 or 15 years or so. Other than South side, might be Bangalore or Bombay, I don't see any prominency in Northern India where people or panel builders are governed by COSMA. You will have to, spread COSMA's name in North India also. I didn't know about Pyrotech also that they are members. So till now I was thinking that I am the only member of COSMA in Rajasthan. And probably Pyrotech is the second. Have all the executives ever thought to spread their wings in Rajasthan or North India? Because when you say COSMA, like all of us should be on the COSMA platform. All the panel builders or most of the prominent good panel builders of North India should be the members of COSMA. I don't think it is there like that.
Okay.
Then COSMA should find, today you have to give credit to your customers. Like earlier it was, advance they were giving. Now they are asking, they are releasing hardly 10% advance, or nobody is giving advance. They are asking for financial guarantee for taking advances and all. So why don't we govern some policies from Cosma side for the customers, if it is possible, if we think that we are a very, very big platform, that every Cosma takes a guarantee and they get the advance without giving bank guarantee, because bank guarantee amount, the margin, the commission which is there, it is also a very huge amount which panel builders are not getting these days. Secondly, their payment terms, earlier it used to be against delivery or against performer invoice. Now somebody is writing 30 days, somebody is writing 60 days, somebody is going for 120 days. So customers should have some certain policies, and all the panel manufacturers and their customers, they should follow those rules. Can we make our Cosma so strong? I want the reply of that. Thank you so much.
Sanjeevji, thank you for raising all such queries. But Cosma means we are all Cosma. It is not, Cosma is just a name actually. We are all Cosma. We are all responsible for making it great and stronger. And then I take the example of Ramniji. Ramniji was the first member from Bangalore. He has created about 100 members in Bangalore and he is taking lead there. So similarly, I request Sanjeev Lodha ji, Pratap Singh ji from Rajasthan to take lead, make more members, increase area of influence of Cosma. We have to make a Cosma great. Cosma will not make you great. You act as the president of Cosma and start acting something. That's what my request to you.
So we make P.S. Talesra as our president for Rajasthan or North India. And
you also,
I
you are
request
both
PS
are president. Each and everyone is a president of the association, but we have to act in that manner, sir. That's what it is. So it is not Cosma. Cosma is just a word, one word. It is all put collectively, all people put together is a Cosma actually. We all have to contribute to it, sir. So increase membership, definitely we will have open a chapter in Rajasthan, Delhi also. And you take a inspiration from this Virendra Singh ji. He is a Pardes member. I have never met him. Because of this Zoom, we are able to see him. He is the Pardes member. Virendra Singh is there. He is also a member, but he actively comes. He participates in the Alkrama exhibition. He meets us. All that things happen actually. And he is happy to be on the platform also. Virendra Singh, you have to add something?
Yes, I want to ask only one thing to ask. Actually, whatever Cosma makes guidelines, there will be many members who will not be Cosma members, who will not be bound by those rules. So when we compete against them, then see, we are trying to make certain rules and regulations, but those guys are not. Suppose for payment, like Sanjeev Lodha ji ne bola, like we are all hard-pressed because of customers imposing a lot of terms and conditions on us. And suppose as a group, we say we are a group and we will adhere to whatever we have decided. But the non-Cosma member, he'll agree to all terms and conditions and he'll grab the order and he'll be just left out. So first of all, I had suggested that at least Cosma should start rating the members, and get more members on board, of course. And then if we spread this message to customers that if you are getting a panel from a 5-star Cosma rated member, then you are assured of certain quality. If you are buying from 1 star, you are getting a certain quality. In fact, I had a discussion about this in the refinery, and they welcomed this because they said now in any tender, 15-20 parties pan-India quote for panels, and they really do not know how to evaluate because many of them are quoting for the first time. They don't even know what product is going to come. So this has become an issue after this e-tendering has come. So people quote from any city and sitting on a computer, they don't even know whether they have a factory. I mean, the customer doesn't even know. So I was suggesting that, and I know that Cosma members cannot go to factories to inspect. They cannot devote that much time. So probably we can take the help of some TPI. And of course, all the charges will be borne by panel builder if he wants to be certified. And we can do some advertisement campaign where we can educate the customers about the COSMA and COSMA rating. Thank you.
Thank you, Virenji. There is only one lady member from Bangalore, that is Arya Srikanta. You want to add something to the discussion?
Absolutely, sir.
She is from
Am I
Vincent
audible?
Switchgear.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah,
you
I'm
are
from
audible.
Vincent.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm from Vincent Electric. My name is Arya. I think I'm attending this webinar for the first time. Happy to see you all here. I would like to say that whatever Mr. Sriram said, it was very interesting. If we have to portray ourselves as a very big fish, we have to first understand how big a fish are we before somebody sees us. So I would say, first of all, let us map our resources together. I have X number of machines, X number of men who are trained. I have these many people in design. I have this much of software. Put together, all of us can be a real big fish. So I feel sharing our database to the customer as a big chunk, like all of us add our resources and say that we are really big, then our presentation also, when we go as COSMA, somebody should feel that, yeah, they're really big. COSMA has 500 Amida machines. COSMA has 2,000 trained personnel. COSMA has 5,000 people who can do commissioning. So they are really big. Maybe I should go to only COSMA for my requirement. That will be feeling that a customer would get. I'm talking basically about portraying ourselves as big in an export market, because in India, I feel the lesser people in the value chain, in the supply chain, the customer will be more interested because they feel that there are lesser number of people, and then the cost is also lesser, kind of a thing. So my point is basically portraying ourselves as big enough in an export market.
Thank you, Arya. Satish Bhai. Satish Bhai, now your concluding remarks for all these problems and solutions. Your remarks on this.
See, one example I want to give about consortium are insurance companies. If you insure with, for example, New India for a big project, then they will reassure it with other insurance companies. They distribute the risk. One of our members mentioned about the risk. It's a very valid thing. So that's a great thought to have a consortium. Now, when we form the consortium, we can also form an SPV, Special Purpose Vehicle. That is known as SPV because that is formed only for the purpose of executing that project. For example, L&T has taken metro work in Mumbai. There is a company called STEC. So they call it L&T STEC. There is a special purpose vehicle which is executing this order. It is not being done by either by L&T or by STEC. That special purpose vehicle is called L&T STEC. So COSMA's role can be that how to form a special purpose vehicle and safeguard interests of not only customer, but all the people, 3-4 of us joining hands in consortium. So I think COSMA should take initiative to prepare this part, that is how to form an SPV, what are the terms and conditions, what are the individual's responsibilities, what are the individual's privileges. So I think, Sanjeev, we can take lead on that. And then, because today what is happening, any big project abroad, for example, any tender abroad, we cannot participate because it may be beyond my capacity to do it. But if we are really open to form consortiums, we can take big jobs, 50 crores and more, and execute through the consortium. So today's subject, I very much appreciate Anand for creating a lot of think tank on this subject. And I am very glad that our members are participating in that. Those members who are not participated today, they are again welcome to write to Sanjeev their ideas, how to form consortium, whether they are having any reservations, so that, as Govindarajan said, we can start with one trial project as soon as possible, as soon as the lockdown is over. Thank you, everybody.
Anandji.
हाँ,
Thank you.
हाँ, नहीं, अभी subject is really been uplifted by everybody. Definitely, it's a responsibility of COSMA to keep the gear on and to put it in the next gear. So definitely, we'll work out very hard. And let me announce, all these Zoomnars are getting more and more successful every Sunday. And I can tell you, after the Corona also, these Zoomnars will be continued throughout the year. And I will put more and more efforts to have some better subjects and real subjects and ground to earth subjects to help all the COSMA members. So look forward for all the Zoomnars, and don't miss the Zoomnars. Tell other members to join the Zoomnars. Now, I think it's a high time to go to Chetan for vote of thanks. Mr. Chetan, please.
Chetan bhai, please.
The vote of thanks is given by you, that is by everyone. So nothing is left for you to say for vote of thanks for on that basis. But for this subject, I know Bhutta Sahab was doing the client's job with 3 panel builders with the same rate. From long back, he was doing the same system with 3 panel builders and on the same rate. He doesn't say the client that we are 3 or panel builders are together. The same way you can do it on that way. You can't take a COSMA cluster and take the job from the client like that on that. That is what my suggestion, that you group or make a group for the panel builders, and not like from the COSMA you can take a job. Because if you take a job on a COSMA basis, it will be a long partition. All fights will be in the COSMA members. That is what my suggestion, Anand.
आनंद भाई आपका म्यूट किया है आपके वहां से. हाँ, now you can speak.
Chetan bhai, can you go ahead with the vote of thanks and conclude the meeting?
For your 7th webinar, it's nicely conducted, and every time different subjects by Anand Jayavan. It's a very nice way, and Shriram has concluded very well way. So, and all the members, everyone has participated well. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you.
So meeting ended, sir. Meeting ended. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all the participants. Araji, next time I want your father also to attend the Zoom meeting.
Absolutely. I'll tell him.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Vishalji, you can end the meeting now. Okay.
Vishal.
Okay, sir.
Vishal,
Yes, sir.
Vishal.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Vishal.
Yes,
Is
sir.
there a possibility of your maintaining ID and password as every time rather than changing it?
We can maintain, but there will be, disconnection after 40 minutes. Because as of now, we are using the free account.
But then when you change the password and ID, you have unlimited time?
So far, we are experience is that. Yes.
Okay, then you have a point. Go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Because I want not only the participation to be continued, but increase every time by at least 4 or 5
Right.
members.
Right.
Maybe each one bring one.
Right. We'll try to do
See,
so.
today I spoke to 3 people. One of them was Arya, Sanjay Khare, and Govindarajan. All 3 people joined today. So I think we have to take initiative to increase the participation.
Our member from Calcutta has also joined today.
With the help of all members, we will definitely adding up.
Yeah, Vinod.
Our member from Calcutta has also joined today.
I also joined today.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Pratap Singh.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Join every time.
Okay.
Thank you,
Vishalji,
bye.
conclude the meeting. End the meeting.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
This is the
Thank you,
meeting.
everyone.
We'll meet again on the next Sunday. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.